Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing car mats for your Tesla Model Y. And first up, we've got Yida Motor car mats. Initially, I was impressed taking them out of the box. These floor mats will fit your 2020 through 2023 Tesla Model Y 5 or 7 seater. The uniquely designed channels and raised edges can effectively trap liquids, snow, and sand to keep your car and shoes clean. And we'll get back to that later in the video. But they were on sale, so I gave them a shot. They were half the price of the name brand, so this is where we're here. Moving on to the next set of mats, we have the MAXpider all-weather floor mats for your Tesla Model Y 2021 through 2023. MAXpider car mats are a popular choice for Tesla Model Y owners looking for high-quality floor mats to protect the interior of their vehicles. These mats are made from a multi-layer construction that combines a top layer of high-quality, wear-resistant material. The mats are also designed to be water-resistant and easy to clean. Let's fast forward 30 days. I'm going to skip the fluff and just say I didn't like the fit of the Yida Motor mats. The fit of the mats was poor, leaving large gaps around the edges that allowed dirt and debris to accumulate underneath. Furthermore, the materials used to make the mats felt cheap and flimsy. Within a few weeks of use, the mats had already started to grow significant wear and tear, and as you can see, I was left with this tape after pulling them up. Didn't like it. Moving on to the 3D MAXpider all-weather floor mats. They're a good choice for anyone looking to protect the interior of their Tesla Model Y from dirt, mud, water, and other types of wear and tear. They offer a good balance with durability, comfort, and style. And in terms of durability, 3D MAXpider car mats have a reputation of being able to withstand heavy wear and tear. My top 3 reasons you might want to consider purchasing the 3D MAXpider mats for your Tesla Model Y. Number 3 would be durability. Number 2, custom fit. Number 1, protection. The primary reason to buy car mats is to protect the interior of your vehicle. 3D MAXpider mats are made of waterproof material that helps prevent spills and other types of damage from ruining your car's carpets. They also have raised edges around the perimeter of the mat, which helps contain spills and prevent them from spreading. Another key benefit of 3D MAXpider mats is that they are custom fit for the Tesla Model Y. This means that they will fit perfectly in the footwells of your vehicle without any excess material or gaps. This ensures that the mats provide a maximum amount of protection and coverage as possible. The clear winner for me is going to be the 3D MAXpider all-weather mats. I will leave the link for both sets of mats in the description of this video. Thank you and take care.